This is when they find a person with just a large amount of money. There's no crime, there's no evidence of a crime, and they seize the money.
Tonight, KDKA Investigates is following the money when it comes to civil asset forfeitures. It's a legal process that allows law enforcement to seize property, including cash, from those believed to be involved in criminal activity, but no conviction required.
But KDKA investigator Erika Stanish is learning not all counties follow that same definition. She's tracking the money and how it's used across the state.
Here in Allegheny County, we're talking about more than $480,000 seized in just 1 year. In Fayette, more than $3 million. We're digging into where that money came from and if the cases were processed criminally.
I will put it this way. Civil asset forfeiture is a valuable tool for law enforcement to be able to do our job, to be able to use the fruits of criminal activity to prosecute future and further criminal activity. If used inappropriately, civil asset forfeiture is government theft.
It's violative of our basic principles of this country, right? Certain communities have really enriched themselves and use this as a means of income.
According to the most recent records released by the state, in 2021-2022, more than $480,000 was seized in Allegheny County. 39,366 of that, according to data, was money taken during arrest or what police say was proceeds from illegal activity. The other $440,993 shows it wasn't related to a criminal case, but possibly criminal behavior that ended in most cases in no arrest or cases dismissed.
It's set up to incentivize small governments, small little boroughs, small little things to want to abuse it. And this isn't what we want. This isn't what our country stands for.
David Schrager is a defense attorney in Allegheny County who says he represented a client traveling with a large amount of cash legitimately, yet it was taken. They had to battle for it back in court.
There was no drugs in the car. There was nothing that they could arrest my client for. There was no evidence of any crime. The only thing he had was a large amount of cash.
He says that money was eventually proven legal and given back, but that's not always the case. Schrager says if someone gets pulled over with a lump sum and it's seized, there's not much you can do.
There's not much you can do except for say okay and record everything, and hopefully they're supposed to give you an inventory receipt. You have the right to record in most circumstances.
In other cases, civil forfeitures are fully legal when it comes to a criminal matter, including one case in Fayette County totaling over $3 million. After it was seized, half went to the Attorney General's office, while the other half stayed in Fayette County, mostly used to support local law enforcement.
With equipment, with police cars, we can use it to enhance security. We can use it to go after drug dealers. Ultimately, I will say a large sum of that money, my predecessor did a wonderful thing, used that to install license plate readers around the county, which has allowed us to track vehicle movements in higher crime areas, people attempting to leave the county.
But District Attorney Mike Abel says not all counties always follow the same rules and may not use the money seized to support law enforcement or fund community-based drug and crime-fighting programs per recommendations by the Attorney General's office.
Do you think it's problematic that everyone kind of has their own definition?
I think civil asset forfeiture in general is problematic. Again, it is often abused, and that's a nationwide problem. That's not a Pennsylvania problem.
We reached out to the Attorney General's office, which said it spends forfeiture funds in compliance with the law. As for the $440,000 seized in Allegheny, not related to criminal matters, we reached out to the district attorney for comment and never heard back. Erika Stanish, KDKA-TV News.